Hi, welcome to question 6. Sarah invests £2,800 in a tax-free ISA, which earns compound interest paid at a rate of 1.14 every 3 months. The spreadsheet shows some information about her ISA. Circle the formula that is used in C2, which is there, to calculate the interest after the first 3-month period. So because they've calculated the interest, they've used B2. They've multiplied it by 0.0114. Okay, so this one here looks like a good one. Can't be that one. That would have been the increase. This one's wrong. This one's probably going to trick a lot of people, but that's an 11.4%, and that's why I was just thinking for a sec because there wasn't anything that said what I'd put. This one again would be absolute nonsense because it's dividing, but this one, B2 multiplied by, and then that would become 0.0114. So it's that fourth option. Okay, complete the spreadsheet. So I need to get 2831.92 into my calculator and multiply by 0.0114, and that gives us 32.28. And then we add that back to the original value, and that gives me 2864.20. Okay, we then write this one down here because the final amount from the period above the second 3 months will be the starting amount for the third 3 months. 2864.2 times by 0.0114, and that gives us 32.65. We then add that on, and we get 2896.85. That value then gets written in the next column, multiply by 0.0114, 33.02, 2896.85 plus 33.02, 2929.87, and that is completed, and that's 2 marks. Okay, the next part, I've looked a bit into the future. You need the AER formula, which is in the formula book that you're given for this assessment. So R is going to equal 1 plus the interest rate over n to the power of n minus 1. Now n is going to be 1.14, and because that's every 3 months, we just simply multiply that by 4. So 1.14 times by 4 is 4.56. So now from here we can put that value into our formula. So 0.046 over 4. Why we do over 4 and then we've multiplied it by 4, then we divide it by 4, I do not know. Crazy. And that'll be to the power of 4 take away 1. So the oh sorry, that's a 5 in there, 0.0456. Divide it by 4, add the 1, turn it to the power of 4, take away the 1, and that gives us 0.046387 ... and therefore our interest rate is 4.64. Done. 3 marks. Question 6 complete. I'll see you at question 7.